Sometimes it's hard to put inside, or because the normal charging, the normal is like if you put it in, it's just perfectly even, perfectly getting inside. But this one, it's not getting inside. So this is the dirt. This is dirt or debris, or inside is so dirty. So how we can clean it? How we can clean it if it's so dirty like this? I will show you. Here we can use these three things. It is very good. You know what is this? Yeah, this is for, I don't know what is it called. It floss that you will, if you want to clean, you're cleaning your teeth, you just put the thing in between, and you can actually also use this to clean this here inside. Clean here inside. Yeah, let's see. I will show you in the. This is hard. I will, if this is not working, I will use alcohol. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. That. Let's wind up. Ooh. Look at that, I got it in one piece. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Just from here, then I take it out. So. Ah, so dirty. And let's see, let's blow some air. This is so. This is not so. It's not much air. Let's charge it. Yeah, this is. I just try to assemble it like this, and yeah, well, so far it was working. I don't want to buy every time spray. Let's go a little bit down with it. Up higher. So, yeah, it looks clean to me. Looks clean. See, and let's see. Where's my cable? Oh, there. Let's see.